ensure we build and maintain a high-performing, high-quality teaching profession.
Dr. Morris Dixon outlined that the JTC bill is about embedding professional pride, educational excellence, and national development into the teaching framework.
This bill is about treating